Okay, so we're product testing whole life chicken cat treats. And they're all natural. There's no wheat, corn, or soy, no preservatives, no additives. So this is a great cat treat for your cat. And I've put it in the dog spinny, which Charlie's been trained on, and he's trying to pull out the bone so he can get the treat. And he got it! Literally, it's just like freeze-dried chicken. If you can see that texture, I mean, it just looks like your chicken breast freeze-dried. So I'm going to give one to Trigger Man. They love them. They instantly loved them the second that I opened them up. Are you going to be nice? So yeah, reading the back of the bag, they're boneless, skinless, white breast chicken meat that have been freeze-dried pure in its natural state. No chemicals or additives or preservatives. They recommend for small cats that you give 1 to 2 treats a day, and for large cats, 2 to 4. So we'll put another one in the dog spinny and see if Charlie can get it out. This time, I'm going to put it in there, buddy. You see that? And then you got to scoot it around. How do you get it? Get it! Yay, Charlie Man! Chiggy wants another one too. Are you ready? Let's go over here. There you go. A Ragdoll breeder actually told me about these Palace Cats. Is the name of the Ragdoll breeder. Anyway, a review of the whole life cat treats will be on our website, floppycats.com, and a link to that review will be in the description of this video. Are you all done? Charlie's like, is there more? There's no more, buddy. I've heard these also are great treats for training your cat if you're wanting to train them to use the toilet or anything along those lines. They're very motivating because cats like them so much. Too bad I didn't have them when I was training Charlie on how to use the dog spinny. Anyway, thanks for watching.